Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this episode, I will be guiding you through how to add friends on Sims Mobile. If you want to add friends or invite friends on Sims Mobile, then here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure that you've open your Sims Mobile application and you are in the main gameplay. Now select the sim you would like to play with from the bottom left menu, and once you do that, from the main home page, tap on the little white arrow located on the right hand corner of the screen. This will then open up several options on the menu. Make sure that you've selected this Game Friends option and then tap on this plus icon appearing at the top right. Now enter your friend's code that they are currently using for the game and then tap on send invitation. Soon after you tap on send invitation, you will be able to send the invitation to a friend to join into the game. Once they accept the invitation, you will then be able to add friends on Sims Mobile. If you receive friend requests from others, you'll need to accept them to become friends, and that is how you can easily add a friend on Sims Mobile. You can also copy your code by tapping on the copy code button and share it with one of your friends via SMS or any other social media platforms, and once they join into the game with your code, you will then be able to add them inside the game. So that was how you can easily add friends or invite them on Sims Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.